Click on the billing around the bottom left corner of your screen. Then select the Invoices option over here. It will take you to your Stripe invoice list, and you want to open invoices that you want to mark as paid. Here I want to mark the one that was sent to Hunter, worth of $1,400 US. So click on the More Actions button and select the Mark as Paid just right here. You may select the payment that was used by customer. I'm gonna select the case 1, then click on Next, and start to insert the necessary information like the date it was paid to you and the type of payment if you may be using the wire transfer, check, Zelle, or others. Then hit on Confirm button after that. There you go. As you can see, the invoices now stated as paid. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.